In this video, I'm excited to share some unique and profitable product ideas that you can create and sell with a small investment. You can think of them as small manufacturing ideas or handmade products. First idea. Create and sell Christmas Norfolk Pine Branches. Gather fresh branches and decorate them with ribbons or ornaments. Package them attractively and sell them at local markets or online platforms, promoting them through social media to reach holiday shoppers. 2. Crystal pyramids. If you're interested in metaphysical products, creating and selling crystal pyramids can be a unique business idea. With growing interest in holistic wellness, you can market these items to customers looking to enhance their spiritual practices and home decor. 3. Artificial plants. With many people seeking low-maintenance greenery for their homes, starting a business in artificial plants can be very rewarding. By offering realistic and stylish options, you can attract customers who want to add a touch of nature without the hassle of upkeep. 4. Coloring books. The rise of adult coloring books presents a fantastic opportunity. You can create unique designs that promote relaxation and mindfulness, tapping into the market of individuals looking for creative outlets. 5. Pillowcases. Starting a business in custom pillowcases allows you to combine comfort and style. By offering unique patterns and materials, you can cater to consumers looking to personalize their living spaces. 6. Art prints. As an aspiring artist or designer, selling art prints can be a fulfilling way to share your creativity. By providing high-quality reproductions of your work, you can attract customers looking to decorate their homes with unique pieces. 7. Lighting fixtures. Creating stylish and innovative lighting fixtures can set your business apart. You can explore various materials and designs to offer customers beautiful options that enhance their home ambience. 8. Bamboo craft products. With a focus on sustainability, starting a business that offers bamboo craft products is both timely and impactful. You can cater to eco-conscious consumers by providing stylish, functional, and environmentally friendly items. 9. Wooden chessboard. A handmade wooden chessboard can appeal to both enthusiasts and collectors. You can emphasize craftsmanship and quality, creating unique pieces that resonate with a passionate audience. 10. Handmade rustic wabi-sabi bowl. The beauty of imperfection in wabi-sabi design can be a captivating niche. By creating handmade rustic bowls, you can attract customers who appreciate artistry and natural aesthetics. 11. Custom charcuterie board. Personalized charcuterie boards are becoming increasingly popular for entertaining. This presents a great business opportunity for those who love food and design, allowing you to create unique, customizable pieces for gatherings. 12. Furniture. Venturing into furniture design allows you to craft functional art that enhances living spaces. Focus on quality, craftsmanship, and innovation to create pieces that appeal to discerning customers looking for unique home decor. 13. Pacifier clips. Starting a business in this niche allows you to create stylish and functional pacifier clips that cater to modern parents. With the constant demand for practical baby accessories, you can build a brand that resonates with families looking for convenience and creativity. 14. Humidifiers. For a wellness-focused idea, designing aesthetically pleasing humidifiers can tap into the growing demand for health-conscious products. These devices not only improve air quality but can also double as home decor, appealing to those who value both beauty and function in their living environments. 15. Corsets and waist trainers. If you have a passion for fashion and body positivity, this business can be incredibly rewarding. Focus on offering a range of stylish and comfortable options that empower individuals to feel confident in their bodies, catering to diverse shapes and sizes. 16. Meditation or yoga mats. As the wellness movement continues to grow, you can find success by producing high-quality meditation and yoga mats. By incorporating unique designs and sustainable materials, you can appeal to yogis and wellness enthusiasts seeking both functionality and style. 17. Handmade pet bowls. Pet owners love unique and personalized items for their furry friends, making this a great opportunity for the interested individual. You can tap into the lucrative pet accessory market by crafting handmade pet bowls with distinctive designs. 18. Pearl necklaces. Starting a jewelry line that features pearl necklaces can be both fulfilling and lucrative. You can appeal to a wide audience looking for timeless elegance by offering various styles and designs. 19. Bracelets. Creating beautiful bracelets allows you to express creativity while tapping into the fashion market. Whether it's simple or intricate designs, you can cater to different tastes and occasions. 20. Socks. The cozy sock market offers a fantastic opportunity. With unique patterns and materials, you can create a fun product that appeals to customers looking for both comfort and style. 21. Mittens. Launching a line of stylish mittens can be a great seasonal business idea. By focusing on quality and fashionable designs, you can capture the attention of consumers during colder months. 22. Enamel pins. These trendy accessories offer an exciting opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. By designing unique enamel pins that reflect current trends and interests, you can attract a diverse audience. 23. Sweaters. Starting a sweater line allows you to combine fashion and comfort. By offering high-quality, stylish options, you can cater to customers looking for warmth and style during colder seasons. 24. Crochet bags. Creating handmade crochet bags provides a chance to blend artistry with functionality. This niche market allows you to target customers seeking unique accessories that stand out. 25. Pearl earrings. Timeless and elegant, pearl earrings are always in demand. As an aspiring jewelry designer, you can explore different styles to attract various customer preferences. 26. Sharpie mugs. A fun and creative business idea, custom Sharpie mugs allow for personalization and artistic expression. This product appeals to individuals looking for unique gifts or personal items. 27. Stationery pouches. Crafting custom stationery pouches provides a unique opportunity. By combining practicality with personal style, you can attract students and professionals alike. 28. Magnets. Fun and quirky magnets can be a hit among consumers looking to showcase their personality. This low-cost product idea allows for creativity and easy market entry. 29. Mouse pads. Designing unique mouse pads can enhance workspaces and add personal flair. This product appeals to both professionals and students, providing a functional yet stylish option. 30. Handmade marble bowl. Creating a handmade marble bowl presents an opportunity to combine art with functionality. This stylish item can serve as a centerpiece or decorative piece, attracting customers who appreciate craftsmanship. 31. Homemade pickles. If you love cooking, starting a business selling homemade pickles can be rewarding. With a focus on unique flavors and quality ingredients, you can attract food enthusiasts eager to try something new. 32. Gourmet cookies. Crafting gourmet cookies allows you to showcase your baking skills while appealing to customers looking for delicious treats. Unique flavors and beautiful presentations can set your business apart. 33. Homemade gelato. Creating your own line of homemade gelato can be a delightful venture. With a variety of flavors and a focus on quality, you can attract customers seeking a refreshing dessert option. 34. Personalized recipe books. Offering personalized recipe books allows food lovers to compile their cherished dishes in a beautiful format, providing a unique keepsake that appeals to sentimental buyers. 35. Homegrown microgreens kits. Starting a business with homegrown microgreens kits promotes sustainability and healthy eating. This appeals to eco-conscious consumers eager to grow their own fresh produce at home. 36. Liquid hourglass. This artistic timepiece can serve as both decor and a conversation starter, with unique designs and materials to create captivating items that attract consumers. 37. Taxidermy art. If you're interested in unique decor, taxidermy art can offer an unusual business opportunity. Focus on craftsmanship and creativity to attract collectors and enthusiasts. 38. Souvenirs. Crafting souvenirs can attract tourists and locals alike. By creating memorable pieces that reflect your location, you can tap into the travel market and provide customers with keepsakes. 39. Wax melts. These fragrant wax melts offer a convenient way for customers to enjoy pleasant scents at home. You can explore various scents and designs to attract aromatherapy enthusiasts. 40. Ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating ebooks can be a profitable business idea. You can share your knowledge on subjects you're passionate about, catering to readers looking for informative and engaging content. And that's it for today, guys. I hope these unique product ideas have sparked some inspiration and got you thinking about your next business venture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more small business ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.